today we're gonna change the diff oil and the air filter in Jeep. Yeah, I just got a brand new K&N filter and a bit of diff oil. So yeah, let's do this. So when you're doing the diff, the bolt to take the oil out is right there, just behind that. And then when you filling the oil in, that holder right there, you just take that out and fill it up. And when it starts leaking out, that's when it's full. So we got a Blake helping me out. It's got all the tools and shit. It's pretty black. I think it needed a change for a while. So all the oil is out. You just do this one to fill it up. Alright, so that's the bolt for the bottom. So if your gear is breaking a bit or something, there will be chunks in there because that's a magnet. So if that happens, then you have to open it up to check it all out. But there's nothing there, so we are good. We're just gonna clean it up with the brake cleaner, and then after that you apply a bit of Teflon tape or a paste, but I got a tape, so we're gonna put that on it. And yeah, so the Teflon tape is that why we're putting it, because when you're doing four-wheel driving there's a lot of vibrations and stuff and you don't want them to just come loose. Also, when I was looking at the things, I just ordered me a K&N filter as well, air filter, because it needed a change. It's been a while, so I thought, why not? So yeah, just bought me this bad boy. The oil is drained out. We're gonna put it back.
Bit of Teflon tape, bro.
Oh yeah, Teflon tape as well. Just a little bit, that's it, not too much. So just tighten it up.
I was going the wrong way.
So here goes the fresh oil. It's a bit of angle there. So what we're gonna do, put an extra bit extension. So yeah, it started leaking out, so it's pretty full now. So you can put the Teflon tape and lock it up. And yeah, this doesn't take too long. Soup.
So what causes it to go brown like that?
A lot of use off-road.
Is that just from like mixing with water and stuff?
Nah, if it was mixing with water it'd be grey.
Oh, okay.
Red up. Sorry guys, I didn't really clean it. I've been doing off-roading, so.
Yeah, go sweet.
Thank you.
What's that hanging off at the bottom? Is it rubber or?
It's just the silicone when it's been joined.
Oh, I see.
Nothing major.
Is it the same position for the bolt and this one too?
Yeah, pretty much, just on the lower bottom there.
Right, so we got the same thing like the front one. It's about the bottom to take the oil out, and right there on the top to fill it up. Oof. This one's black.
Quite black.
There's a bit of gooping there, but nothing really filing and stuff. So
all minute type filings, if you see, and you go like that, and it all comes back to the magnet.
It's pretty safe.
I'd say, you know, a good amount of driving's been done on this oil, and it's just minute little creamy filings almost.
Creamy filings, right?
I like the TIG welding ones.
Oil is drained out.
Let's wait for a little bit.
Just a bit too
Tiny little bit more.
yeah, the oil's going in.
You know, with
Looks like that's full too.
Oh, it flew back on my face.
Shame.
Alright, so both diffs are done. It doesn't really take too long. All you need is oil, a tool, Teflon tape or a paste, and yeah, that's about it, and you can do it at home. Diff oil's pretty important when you do four-wheel driving because they get wear and tear quite a bit, so the oil you need to change regularly. So I do quite a bit of four-wheel driving and stuff, so they needed a little bit of love. And yeah, it's all done. Now we're gonna chuck in the K&N filter and call it a day. We're gonna do this with the air filter on. K&N air filter. So what let's do is the clamps. Take and one. Look at the state of it. Needed some love. We actually cleaned this not long ago too, so yeah, we got a brand new one. Look at that.
That looks real thin compared to that one.
Let's pick the filter up and drop it in. Hopefully it's the right one.
Yep.
Looks like it is.
She slots in brilliantly.
That's about it.
Look at that.
Raven's gonna love it, today. Diff oil changed, air filter changed, service done. Oh yeah, that's simple.
Couldn't see the other side.
Then filter is done. Get ready for this, guys. Ooh, sounds same.